All right, here's a steel door repair job, and they said the door is not closing. So let's see what's going on. It has a closer on it, so I'll push it open and see what happens. Okay. Well, it stops about halfway, so the closer needs to be adjusted at the very least. And let's see what happens when it gets to the latching position. Yeah, it's not latching, so we need to adjust those two speeds. Well, when I pull it has a hard time latching. Oh, it looks like this thing may have been broken into. See how big that gap is? Oh, and this strike plate does feel a little bit recessed. So what I'll do is take this off, put some spacers behind there so that that thing latches. But let me get the closer adjusted first. Now here's the closer, and the adjustment screws are facing this way. Loosening them makes things go faster. So I'll start here with the bottom because I want to get the closing speed first. And I'm going to back it off half a turn and see what happens. There we go. Yeah, so that's closing more quickly. And the latching speed is the same. So I want that to go a little bit faster. So I'll just back it off another quarter turn, and then I want it to latch faster too. So I'll adjust that latching speed. I'll back that off a quarter turn. So that should close faster and latch faster as well. So let's see. There. Almost. That latching speed could still be a little bit stronger. So let's go another quarter turn on that. There's always a chance that this closer could be broken too. But there's another quarter turn, back off. That's what you want. And now it actually latches. I'm going to go another quarter turn in each direction on each one. So there's a quarter turn latching, quarter turn for the closing speed, and there's another quarter turn for the latching speed. So that should go nice and quick now. And that's better. Now that latches. And if we just open it a little, it still latches. Okay. Okay, I've got the strike plate off. And here it is. And in order to bring that out, I'm just going to put two thin washers behind each hole. That'll move it an eighth of an inch. I've got the washers right behind there. So now when I push that in, it's just proud of the frame. I don't have the key to this door. But see, even with that there, we've still got a sizable gap, but we'll get at least a quarter inch of the strike bolt inside there. That'll be fine. Let's let it go. Now it's harder to close. So I'm going to adjust the latching speed again. It's closing a little fast, so I'm going to tighten up the closing speed. Quarter turn, so it closes a little bit slower. And I'm going to back off the latching speed so it latches more forcefully. Okay, now let's see what happens. Nice. Now let's see what happens if we open it just a little bit. And there you are. That's the way it should work.